Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here. Once again, we're here. We're here with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with a song called Monster. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 Monster. So obviously the war start between 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 and 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓. I'm very late reacting right now because I've been busy doing other stuff in my life. So I've been minding my own business. But anyway, we're here and we are going through these songs quick and fast, and we're doing that now. We're doing it right here. So make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe around there if you are new, and please tell a friend to tell a friend, so we are here. So let's jump to that one. Here with the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Let's go. Killing time. That's graphic. That right there is very graphic. You can hear even call it a bag of Badman place, a bag of parishes, with that spooky Halloween vibe. You know, see Halloween now, we know October now, so you don't know, see killing time. So let's go.
Blood sacrifice when me gonna baptize. Sweep on my life, never run from a guy.
When I say blood sacrifice, I'm gonna baptize. Sweep on my life, never run from a guy.
Blood sacrifice when me gonna baptize. Sweep on my life, never run from a guy. If I war in the water, put the gas in the car.
If I war no water, put the gas in the car. Me ready. Coyote, me ready for chopping at your forehead. Me ready. That the man I say, not me. Coyote, big up yourself.
If I war in the water, put the gas in the car. We are not the same with a monster. Call up the spirit, them know what I'm answer. He ain't seen the picture with me on my backpack. My ancestors, them the two take the chat. We are not the same with a monster. Call up the spirit, them know what I'm answer.
Man say call up the spirit, them know them answer. So the spirit them attack I'm ancestors. So I say you travel with them ancestors them. So anytime you call upon them, them go answer. Dopey maker.
We are not the same with a monster. Call up the spirit, them know what I'm answer. He ain't seen the picture with me on my backpack. My ancestors, them the two take the chat. You to a monster, worse than cancer. Want a gargoyles, every response for.
Want a gargoyles where response for. So like me tell you, say your dog, he might take it like down in the Halloween time, like a Halloween now. So he might take it down in the graphic. Man said want a gargoyle where response for, bro. Like come on.
You to a monster, worse than cancer. Want a gargoyles, every response for. Church people will sing hallelujah. No know who fool you, me know who school you.
Me know who fool you, but me know who I go school you. Me I go school you and show you say yo, Coyote the ramp. No ramp. Yo, Melody, full this. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿, make up yourself, dog. Melody. And lyrics, of course.
Church people will sing hallelujah. No know who fool you, me know who school you. We are evil, me mean the carnival. Why be a foot, I'm in a knee, not a vehicle.
We are evil, we mean Knievel, you know, evil Knievel, the great magician from back in the past. R.I.P. to the great. But the man I say, yo, listen, walk barefoot, we don't need no vehicle. Move you downtown, move you uptown. We are tap it. Go tap and crime. Motor, walk barefoot. Rude.
We are evil, me mean the carnival. Why be a foot, I'm in a knee, not a vehicle. From my boy, forget it, could I hide, not an eagle. Send a check anywhere, then me if you reach to.
Pussy, you coulda get it no matter where you hide, my G. No matter where you there, coulda in the eye of a nigga, pussy, me a find you. Me say me have a track up on you. Anywhere you go, pussy, you get it. Gunshot in her head, boy, dead. The war is on.
My boy, forget it, coulda hide, not a nigga. Send a check anywhere, then me if you reach to. One up top. Do it damage, you understand, sorry. Born with the warrior in a way. What the fuck, I don't wanna be a good boy. Man alone I make she happy.
Yo, me born with a warrior in my brother. Me grow rough, brother, like Scotch Brite, bro. Me not grow soft like no sponge, me J. Me born a warrior. Yo, me ever can ever, you know the man said earlier on. Furthermore, Me bad. Remember, say a bad man she love. Bad man she want in her hole. So as a gangster, the girl them a go like the bad man. Yo!
What the fuck, me don't wanna be a good boy. A good man, I know that make she happy. Kill innocent, me a sick man. Yo, should I know if you keep them distance?
Yo, you should keep your distance, Coyote. Me over here, so I do me thing. And I throw up me sang the man thing, and you show up your head. Alright, then all I want your pussy, can you never keep your distance? That is what 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 is saying, not me.
Kill innocent, me a sick man. Yo, should I know if you keep them distance? Touch with shirt, dog with the witch hand. Ah, look how the blood clot clip long.
Touch which blood clot shirt you with which hand? Oh, brother. Touch which shirt? Who you got? Brother, you can't come close to. Remember, some clip them long in a youth.
Sacrifice to me gonna baptize. Sweep on my life, never run from a guy. Forward in the water. Put the gas in the car. We are not the same, we a monster. Call up the spirit, them know what them answer. He 18 up, he travel with me, not my backpack. My ancestors, them the two, take the chat. Welcome in at the underworld. I show face too much on it under girl.
Welcome in at the underworld. You show face too much on it under girl. Remember, say you show your head on the frack. Coyote. When you hear me talk, I don't want your face me pick no side. But when sang bad. The man say you come here and show your face. Remember say your face the under girl. Remember say the girl them talking at the lane mouth and the yo. Can't wake myself. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 bad.
Welcome in at the underworld. I show face too much on it under girl. Me have to use the party, me say I have to work. It is say you ask why when you start to burn and even weed and grabber can't calm my nerve and it.
Brother, nothing can calm my nerve, brother. No rum, no drink, no weed, no grabber can't calm my nerve when me get upset.
It is say you ask why when you start to burn and even weed and grabber can't calm my nerve and if you look through with fear we no have that.
Brother. Check my pocket there, me not have no fear. If you look for me fear, me not have that, me G. Yeah, what conductor? Over fear you look for. Me not have none of that pussy. No, some ban rough pussy, me not have no fear, me not afraid of no boy.
Weed and grabber can't calm my nerve and if you look through with fear, we no have that. That a word that we type in a laptop, them boy they not fire no car, them a prop that with the rifle, they catch that.
Them boy they not fire no rifle, them not fire no can, them a prop that. So basically, let me say, your prop gun, you brandish with brother, prop gun, brother. You got somebody video shoot and take up them prop gun and have it. Brother, you're not bad, that's how Coyote say. That's how 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 said to Coyote. Coyote big myself, man.
Type in a laptop, them boy they not fire no car, them a prop that with the rifle, they catch that. Blood sacrifice, give me gonna baptize. Sweep on my life, never run from a guy. Forward in the water. Put the gas in the car. We are not the same, we a monster. Call up the spirit, them know what them answer. He 18 up, he travel with me, not my backpack. My ancestors, them the two, take the chat.
Humble clad. The war is on. Yo, me jumping to the war late because I'm busy at the thing, brother. But yo, we're here. And I'm excited. I am excited. Cause the warrior I got, cause I know say Coyote a bad bumbo clat at it. So Coyote got reply. So I could jump in a Coyote reply after this reaction. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Yo, badness it name. Coyote, big up yourself. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself for the entertainment that we are get right now, dog. Cause it's much appreciated. Yo, that track you bad, brother. That track you give me goosebumps. Me feel everything when the man said, dog. Me feel everything when the G has said, dog. Yo, war is on, brother. War is in the air. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 and Coyote them well prepared. Song bad, brother. Song bad. It's a banger. It's a banger. Melody, rhythm choice. I'm just hoping that these two artists stick to the same rhythm. Me don't know. Obviously, me see other people react, but me don't watch them honestly because me know me gonna react, so me don't want to watch an next person react. Big up all of my reaction, G them, my colleagues them. Big up on yourself. The man them do the reviews them. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. But with that, so we are gonna jump into that one. We are gonna end that one here and jump to the next one. So I'll catch you guys over the next side. Oh,